YouTube, what is up, everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks back at it again with another video. Today we're on the iPhone because I gotta go somewhere. I know I've been gone for a little minute. The car got some fucking nasty shit on it. It needs a car wash. Anyways, your boy is about to go and put new wheels on the 350Z. Can you guys guess what they are? Yeah, so I was going to be putting gram lights on my 350Z, 18 by 9.5, 18 by 10.5, plus 22 all around. We was going to do the bronze colorway, but my order got canceled. So you guys are probably wondering, what are these? These are a different set of wheels in gram light box, in a gram lights box. Yes, I know I'm bittersweet because the guy that sold me these wheels put gram lights on his car, and I wanted gram lights at first. But yeah, let me show you guys what I got because I'm in a rush and I got to get to the shop. Here we have 18 by 10.5 squared plus 15 brand new Enkei RPF1s. You know, the typical 350Z thought wheels. I got these for $800, brand new. Yes, $800. The ultimate fucking steal. So guys, I'm gonna explain what happened, where I've been, why the car's been down. I haven't been posting any content. Whenever I get back home and get those tires mounted and balanced. No, I'm not gonna be bringing the car. I'm gonna get the tires put on. The tires are at the shop. I'm gonna get the tires put on the rims, and I'm gonna bring them back and install them when I get home. So let me get back to you guys in a little bit. I'll show you guys what the wheels look like with the tires and what tires I went with. All right, as you could tell, we are on the road in the Mom-mobile. Your boy got the wheels in the back, ready to go. First things first, we're gonna stop at my cousin's shop in Kissimmee, get my tires. And then we're gonna stop at SG Auto Works to put the wheels and tires together, mount and balance. And then I'm gonna come home and finish it off by putting them on the car. And then tomorrow or today, we will be getting the car aligned. All right, boys, the tires are acquired. We got 275, 40, 18 Firestone Firehawk Indy 500s. And then we have 255, 40, 18 Lionheart all season performance high performance tires, just for the fronts. You know, some not too expensive but not too cheap tires, you feel me? Made it to SG Auto Works, pulling in right now as we speak. Out here, man. You got this fucking bichota right here, fucking ugly ass nigga. See, we made it. SG. Those what I need for the fucking car, man. That boy Beetle getting to work, man. He about to get me right. Let's get the rest of these motherfucking Enkais out of the car. Media motherfuckers. All right, boys, we are back on the road. Your boy finished up getting the tires mounted and balanced on the RPF1s. Looking pretty good. All right, it is the next day. It's time to put these wheels on the car. As you guys can see, wheels are fucked up. If you're wondering what happened, I got into a little situation in Orlando. Ended up hitting a curb with both of these wheels. Somebody ran me off the road, and this is all the shit we fucked up on the car. All these suspension components, but the car is 100% drivable again. I did drive it after we fixed the car. These two wheels were bent. I'll probably put a couple clips in here and let you guys see what happened. My baby. Rest in piss.
What's that left in the road? Right there. He's driving over here.
Poor little Nismo, man. Where the fuck he going? Damn, man. Poor Nismo. So, for everyone asking, the car is good. Motor, engine-wise, trans-wise, we're good. Got a couple damages. I'm going to tell you guys what happened after I show it. Got low bumper cracks. Nothing my body man and paint man can't fix. Curb rash of death. Got some ornaments. Fucking peeled back tires. Y'all ready for the beauty shot? Oh my god. And then we got this wheel. Yeah, nigga, your boy joined Camera Gang or die, nigga. Anyways, yeah, I'm glad I'm safe. I'm glad I'm okay. I'm glad my little cousin's safe. I'm gonna tell y'all what happened right now, man. Long story short, your boy brought the Nismo out to a car meet yesterday, and on the way home, I was on a 3-lane road. I was on the left side, the middle lane was clear, and the right lane had somebody. I was merging to the middle lane, and I guess the guy on the right didn't realize I merged and tried to merge into the middle lane too, almost hitting my quarter panel and spinning me the fuck out. And I tried to dodge him, and with my bald ass fucking tires, the car pretty much spun out, lost control, and slid into a curb and smacked the fuck out of both of these wheels, pretty much destroying the suspension that I showed you guys. Thank God, the body kit, the car, everything is good. I would have rather the suspension get fucked up than my quarter panel, and it could have been way worse. Thank God the car is good. Some minor fixes will have her back up and running as soon as possible, man. So anyways, yes, we have fixed the car. Tires popped because they were so bald. All those clips I just inserted is pretty much a video I made before this, but I tried to summarize it to make it faster. Anyways, let's jack the car up and let's put these new wheels on. Let me get them outside here in the fucking driveway first, so it'll be easier instead of trying to lift one and one and dragging them. All right, here are the wheels for the Z. We got 18 by 10.5 plus 15 all around. Enkei RPF1s, original silver. We got the fronts, which are some Lion Sport 3s, 255/40 18s, some cheap shits. And then for the rears, we went and got some sticky boys. We got Firestone Firehawk Indy 500s, 275/40 18. So we're gonna be taking off these shitty ass Nismo stocks and throwing these on. All right, we got the car jacked up. Forgot to show you guys. We are gonna be running SR48 Muteki black lug nuts, you know, the go-tos on the RPFs. And then we also got this in focus shift knob shift boot that I'm gonna be installing later on. So yeah, guys, let's get these Mutekis out the box and let's get these wheels on. All right, we just finished one side of the car. This is what it's looking like. It is stock height, so it's a little monster truck. But we got some meat on her now, boys. Not really a fan of this bright silver. I wish I would have got some SBC chrome, the dark chrome RPFs. But these are what popped up for a steal, so we're gonna run these until I get some more money to buy the other ones, or even TEs. Yeah, see, that dark color just looks 10 times better on the Z. These ones aren't too bad, but just stands out. Boom. We got the black coal with red stitching in focus shift boot. I didn't show you guys how to install it in this video, but I'm gonna have a video somewhere right here on the screen. You could click on it and it'll show you how to install that shift boot. I already made a video on it. So yeah, it turned nighttime yesterday and my GoPro was dead, so I couldn't really record. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to install that shift boot right there, just click on the screen somewhere right here and it has my old video on how to install that. Shout out In Focus, man. And there you guys have it. Your boy Nismo Nick is back yet again. Got the RPFs all installed. Came to one of my favorite spots. She is looking good. Let me know what you guys think about the regular silver RPFs. Me personally, I think I'm gonna try to get SBC RPFs, the dark chrome ones, because I'm not really liking how bright these ones are on the black car. And then also we are gonna be getting coilovers or some springs, possibly just coilovers, fuck springs, to lower the car just a tad bit so it is perfect fitment. Because right now we are low-key monster trucking just a little bit with these big ass tires. Yeah, if you guys see a little bit of shit on the car is dirty. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. What are you waiting on? Subscribe to your boy Nick Stacks, aka Nismo Nick. Road to 3,000 subs. Your boy is back on the grind. Your boy is ready to work yet again. Let's get to it, man. Let's get to dropping videos again. Your boy is gonna be outside with the Nismo yet again. I was down in a dark place before these past 2 months. I've been going through it right now. I've just been working, stacking my money. Like I said, I got into a little something with the car and that shit demotivated me. That shit had me in a dark spot. But your boy, seeing this car back on the road, driving it, as much as I always want to sell this car, yeah, I was thinking about selling it. Every time I drive it, it gives me a reason why I should keep this car and why I should never sell it. I mean, at least not for now, at least. Eventually, I will sell this car, sadly. Or if I don't, I'll be going boost. But yeah, guys, like I said, I appreciate everybody that's been supporting. Stay tuned for the next video. Your boy is out. Peace.